आज दो मेमोरेंडम दिए जाएंगे, एक वक्फ कानून के खिलाफ और दूसरा पहलगाम के सानिया के खिलाफ मजम्मती बयान। मैं पहले वक्फ कानून के खिलाफ जो मेमोरेंडम देने जा रहे हैं मैं उसे पढ़ लूंगा। टू श्रीमती द्रौपदी मुर्मू, ऑनरेबल प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडिया, राष्ट्रपति भवन, न्यू दिल्ली। सब्जेक्ट: अपील अगेंस्ट द वक्फ अमेंडमेंट्स threatening secularism, minority rights and religious freedom. Respected Ma'am, the preamble of the Constitution of India solemnly declares the nation to be a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic committed to ensuring justice, equality and liberty to all citizens. The term secular enshrined in the preamble is a defining principle guaranteeing freedom of religion and equal respect for all faiths. Articles 25 to 28 of the Constitution affirm the right of individuals to freely profess, practice and propagate their religion, while also safeguarding the rights of religious minorities to manage their religious affairs independently. It is in this constitutional spirit that All India Muslim Personal Law Board humbly submits this memorandum to bring to your esteemed attention the serious concerns regarding the recent Waqf amendments passed by Parliament. These amendments represent a severe assault on Islamic religious values, Sharia, cultural freedom and communal harmony, an attack on the secular and pluralism which is beyond the scope of permissible amendments, a violation of minority rights and a broader attempt to weaken the Muslim community and promote Islamophobia. The targeting of Waqf properties alone while leaving the other communities' religious assets untouched is a deeply discriminatory and unconstitutional act. It undermines India's cherished tradition of religious pluralism where tolerance, understanding and peaceful coexistence among faiths have been the cornerstone of national unity. Waqf properties have historically supported the religious, educational and social upliftment of Muslims for centuries. Undermining them strikes at the cultural and religious identity of the community. Our key concerns with the Waqf amendments are: number one, government overreach and control. The amendments empower revenue authorities to alter Waqf property records and convert them into government properties, bypassing Muslim, threatening the community's autonomous management of religious affairs. Number three, removal of Waqf by user doctrine. The critical provision recognizing long-standing religious usage as constituting Waqf property is being eliminated, jeopardizing countless religious sites. Number four, increased risk of property appropriation. The government can delist Waqf properties, exposing them to seizure or sale, devastating community welfare projects supported by these properties. Number five, violation of Muslim personal law and constitutional rights. The amendments encroach upon Muslim personal law protected under Article 25 and severely erode the constitutional promise of religious freedom. Madam, the Honorable Supreme Court has repeatedly affirmed that secularism demands equal treatment of all religions by the state and prohibits religious discrimination. It has underscored that the preamble's commitment to secularism reinforces the fundamental rights enshrined in Article 25 to Article 28. These amendments, by undermining the rights of one community alone, violate not just the letter but the very spirit of the Constitution. Therefore, we humbly urge immediate intervention by your esteemed office to reject the Waqf amendments, protection of Waqf properties and preservation of religious autonomy for all communities. We seek your assurance and support in protecting the rights and dignity of all religious communities, ensuring that India continues to remain a beacon of secularism, pluralism and justice with profound respect. ये था मेमोरेंडम जो इस मामले में दिया जा रहा है। एक छोटा सा दूसरा मेमोरेंडम है जो पहलगाम के वाक़ये के बारे में है, उसे भी मैं पढ़ लेता हूँ। टू श्रीमती, माफी चाहता हूँ, दूसरे आ गया है। पहलगाम के इशू पर जो एक सानिहा हुआ है, टू श्रीमती द्रौपदी मुर्मू, ऑनरेबल प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडिया, राष्ट्रपति भवन, न्यू दिल्ली, थ्रू द डेप्यूटी कमिश्नर बीदर, सब्जेक्ट condemnation of the barbaric terrorist attack at Pahalgam. Respected ma'am,